Hey friends, today I'm about to go get energy drink. I'm gonna show you how to go get a mango from freezer, very fresh, easy to make a smoothie drink, right?
That's right.
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna show you how to get fruit. Don't have to worry about cut so much, okay? And make healthy drink. Let's go with me. Come on. Mango. That's mango. Look, mango whole pack right there. Or the mango. Look at peach, freezer peach, pineapple, freezer. You see that? Oh, the whole 9 yard. You see that, guys? That's a blueberry. Okay, whole 9 yard. I show you how to get the frozen fruit fresh. And strawberry. Look at this. Okay. This is Restaurant Depot, guys. Restaurant Depot. Make smoothie, you need this orange juice, guys. Okay, orange juice, no sugar. Make a good smoothie, you need this blender. Okay, this kind of blender. You know how much this blender costs? $3.94. This one $4.35, even expensive. This kind of blender you need, okay, to throw out all your smoothie. This is Restaurant Depot, guys, very big. Look at long line today. All the line will be online. There's a long line. Tomato. I want this tomato.
Okay.
Okay, the price is about $68, guys. $68, not that bad, right? You can drink the 4-5 months right here. Guys, this is Restaurant Depot, okay? Pick up all you need in here. Restaurant Depot. $68. You can eat this about half year, 6 months. You know how much save your money. Okay? Okay. Today I'm gonna go ahead make a smoothie to show you how I went to the market to buy all this and store it in the refrigerator. You know, I'm gonna when you want it, just bring out one bag, everything in there. Just go ahead and make that. Let's go start it. Look at this. Every fruit in here have like 5, 6, 7 kind of fruit. Too many. Just, you know, use what you got. You know, if you have it in your home, just go ahead and make smoothie. The most important thing, you use almond, okay? I saw somebody use yogurt. Don't do that because yogurt is kind of milk family, so don't do it because when you do fresh fruit, you gotta go to orange juice, okay? No sugar, orange juice, no ice. You know why? Because no ice. Because go ahead with all of this. Because the fruit I already frozen them, you know, so there be the ice in that, in the mango, whatever they frozen. So I don't need no ice, just orange juice and the fruit in here. That's it. Okay, let's go start it. Gonna do it one more time because I want blend very well. One more time. Okay, 3 times it's done, blended very well now. Very good smoothie, guys. Look at that, just like a, can you believe it? You know, you eat the fruit and all of this. They make you beautiful skin, stay young, and a lot of fiber, clean out. It's very easy to make. Go ahead, try to make at home. I show you how to shop the fresh food in the freezer. I went to Restaurant Depot. Go get it, get all the whole box. One box about $18, $19, $20 less, $20 under, okay? So you go ahead, get all of them, whatever you want. They have peach, they have strawberry, they have pineapple, they have mango, they have banana, they have blueberry, strawberry, any kind. You pick all you want, you know, you put in the freezer, put in a Ziploc bag. When you wanna just put it out. I'm gonna show you again because I put in the freezer just bag to bag like that. When you want to make a smoothie, go ahead, take it out, put it in the sink for 1 hour, let them melting a little bit, loosen out a little bit, and then you blend it, okay? That's what how I do it, how much. And I still have a whole lot. I don't even prepare yet. Look, this whole lot. I have everything, guys. I have to show you how to do fresh food smoothie, very easy way, okay? Okay, this is my breakfast. If you wanna losing weight, guys, go for it, okay? You wanna lose weight, you go, you do it, and you will lose. And when you wanna losing weight, when you drink this first in the morning, okay, have to be breakfast, no food in your stomach. You're gonna get the juice, this juice in your body first, and you will losing weight because this is very powerful. And even you have problem in your body, you don't feel good, you don't feel like collagen, you don't feel like energy, you drink this, you're gonna feel like big difference, guys. It's so easy to make, it's not expensive, very cheap. You have to know how to get the fruit, okay? When you go get the fruit, don't go get the orange, the pineapple and cut on your own. Don't do that because that's too much work. So you go to the Restaurant Depot or Sam's Club or Costco. They probably have in the freezer to sell the mango, the strawberry, you know, the frozen thing, you know. But if you want to go to Restaurant Depot, where they supply for restaurant, even cheaper because they prepare for the business. Because I have the business a license, I go in there, I get very easy. If you don't have that, you always go Sam's Club, they always have for you, okay? It's very easy. Don't buy the one pineapple, don't have to come home and cut. Mango have to come home cut, don't cut anything. Just buy the one that frozen always. So easy. Here, cheer, guys, because this is very good for the body and energy, healthy, and stay young and feeling good, skin beautiful, and a lot of fiber make you go to the bathroom, okay? Alright, guys, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. I will show you more and more healthy and to drink, to take care of our body. It's not that expensive. Okay, guys, stay safe, stay strong, be careful, and taking care. If you love this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will show you more good stuff, guys. Okay, see you, take care, bye bye.